meet again? Did I not belong beside you? Was I grieving within since the day that we parted? Different lands now. Have you not been torn inside too? Did it pour in old rain when they broke a young heart? Leave me the wounds and the scars in your wake. I'm no longer blind for the toll it might take. I'll open my arms and I greet you again into the great unknown. This far I've never been. And every line I see fading to doubt in me, when all that I've known had all been there long before. And now the life I'd see is waiting around for me. It's calling me home. Long have I roamed, let's try it again. You've been away, and it's been a long road without you. Blaming the best on you, I could not rest until now. And was it then all in vain when you were fighting a war above and beyond me? When you heard like the rest of us, I won't think less of you now. Leave me the wounds and the scars